mind that Synchrony is a very flexible application and is configured based on your business requirements and processes. The demo that we're presenting today is a fictitious financial company called UBank. I'm an agent working in the mortgages division. This division is configured for responsive inbound and also proactive outreach. I'm going to click the Go Ready button, and I'll receive my next interaction, which will be an email. I can see that this email is from Bronson Tucker. This is my screen pop, which is based on his email address. I can see that Bronson Tucker has worked with agents in the personal checking and insurance divisions as well. This is how Synchrony provides a full 360-degree view of why customers are calling and what divisions they call into. At this point, I'm going to create a new activity for Bronson Tucker's email. His email reads that he would like more information about applying for a mortgage online, and he's looking for the beginning URL. So I'll name this interaction, and I'll choose the category of New Application. Categories are the reasons customers call the mortgage division. I will now save my information and reply to his email. He's looking for the beginning URL to the online application. So I'll navigate to the resource panel where mortgage-related web links, user's guides, and documents are easily accessed. Synchrony provides the agent with the right information at the right time, meaning that this resource panel is specific to the mortgage division. Documents from other divisions, such as insurance, do not appear here and don't hamper the mortgage agent's ability to quickly navigate to mortgage-related resources. So at this point, I just attached the link. Did it display correctly? Yes, it did. This assures that I'm sending him a viable link, and it will include the link here. I add my text, please see attached URL, and click Send. At this point, I'm going to go and add notes, sent URL via email, and scheduled a callback. Save my work, and now I'm going to click Schedule a Callback in the Knowledge Manager. As you can see, all of the phone numbers for Bronson Tucker are listed here for the agent. No need to type them in or search for them. I can choose a date and a time for the callback to occur. I'm actually going to choose just a few minutes from now, so the callback will appear in my queue and I can demonstrate completing a callback. Adding notes is required. Please call regarding online application. I assign it to myself. I can assign it to anyone else. Maybe it's our policy that a lead is then sent on to sales to follow up with. But I'll assign it to myself so it will enter my queue and I can then demonstrate the callback. Escalate to, I can choose a group here or another person after so many minutes. So if I promised I would call him at a certain time, that time to the customer is very valuable. So I can choose 5 minutes to escalate it. If I'm unavailable at that exact time, it will go into the queue of everyone else and the next available agent will perform that callback. So I save. Callback is saved successfully. So I can end the session, click Yes, and go ready to receive my next interaction. From the universal queue, I can see that I have no inbound interactions currently waiting for me. Therefore, as a blended agent, I can begin dialing an outbound marketing campaign which promotes a new low mortgage interest rate. Therefore, my next interaction is from a list group or an outbound dialed campaign. I've been trained and prepped on this outbound campaign, so I'm ready to start my call script. This is an agent-initiated dial, but as you can see, the phone number is pre-populated for me. So when I'm ready, I click the dial button and ask to speak with Kim Favicchio. When she's on the line, I choose Yes to take me to the next part of my script. I then read the sales pitch about the 4.5% for qualified customers and ask if she'd be interested in receiving some more information. This takes us to Synchrony's fulfillment module. It's quite powerful and analysts are really talking about it. Our fulfillment module allows the agent to send personalized collateral to the customer, whether it's print and then mailed, faxed, or emailed. The email also has personalized attachments. In order to send this personalized collateral, as the agent, all I need to do is choose the appropriate package and then choose to have it emailed, printed and mailed, or faxed. In our scenario, Ms. Favicchio would like it emailed. A confirmation box appears so I can verify Ms. Favicchio's email address while she's still on the phone. And then I click Finish. I receive a confirmation that the fulfillment package was successfully generated. One of our clients using Synchony saves approximately $20 per package with the automation that the fulfillment module provides, eliminating the manual processes for their agents and saving valuable time. Back on my call script, I give a few brief instructions to Ms. Favicchio and then click Next. I thank her for her time, say goodbye, and click End Session to receive my next interaction. My next interaction is the callback that I scheduled for Bronson Tucker. Here's where I look at the notes of why I'm calling him back. If this were another agent, they would know exactly why they're calling him. They can see from his history that he had an inbound email asking for the URL. They can see that I sent the URL, and now I scheduled the callback just to follow up to make sure that he didn't have any trouble. Callbacks are also an agent-initiated dial, and you can see that the phone number is pre-populated so the agent doesn't have to key in the telephone number. If he would like, I can take the online application for him over the phone. If he didn't have a chance to go online and do it himself, as the agent, this might be a great way to convert interest into an actual mortgage application. Let's pause for a moment and talk about a feature of Synchrony that our customers really like: Smart Tabs. Smart Tabs can be as simple as web links and agent reference guides, or as complex as an interface with a disparate system. Without an intelligent desktop, many agents have to toggle to these disparate systems, navigate to the correct page, and even rekey information. One goal of the Synchrony desktop is to eliminate toggling and reduce the number of clicks. Smart Tabs can pass parameters back and forth to disparate systems to present the right information at the right time. In this example, Synchrony passes parameters to the back-end system and retrieves contact and other information already on file for Bronson Tucker to the Synchrony Smart Tab, pre-populating the form. This saves the agent and the customer valuable time. Here's an example of a Smart Tab used as a simple agent reference guide. Maybe I'd like to locate the customer. I can pass the customer's address into Google Maps and quickly see that they're located in the Cincinnati, Ohio area. So this concludes our brief demonstration of Cincom Synchrony's Intelligent Agent Desktop. Please keep in mind that we do have very strong analytics and supervisor tools as well. And now I'll turn it back over to Julie.
Thank you, Kristen, and thanks everyone for your time today. We invite you to visit our website at www.cincom.com/synchrony for more information or contact your Synchrony representative for a more detailed product tour.